Let me show you how to quickly find templates in Canva. Once you're on the page of Canva, you can easily access templates by looking at the top. And here at the top, you'll find your designs, Canva AI, and actually templates. So you can click in templates, and here you have all the templates here. And you can even search for millions of templates right here in Canva, or you can always go ahead and scroll down and you can explore as you wish, right? So you can search for whatever you want, or just simple scroll down and find something that you like to try. The left side as well, you have those different options such as photos, you have graphics, you have creator, and you have some favorites. They call them starred content. And so you'll be able to find them if you have them here as well. But if you're looking specifically for templates, this is the fastest way how to find them. And you can search for whatever you want as well and quickly use them. To use a template, just simply go ahead and find it, and you can click on the template. You have this pop-up here, and you can find right here that it says customize this template, and you can quickly click on that, and it's going to open up the template for you in Canva so that you can start modifying it. But that's it.